Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Sreeram Rao. I am currently studying in second year BDS in Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Bangalore. Talking about the college, it's very good. It's one of the highest ranking dental colleges in the country. It has an NIRF ranking of 8. And why I chose MCODS was mainly because it has excellent faculty, state-of-the-art facilities, and also there is a brand value when we talk about Manipal, right? Most of the dentists and even people in general, when they hear that I am from Manipal College of Dental Sciences, they hold me with high regard. So I think that is really good, and even for my future endeavors, I think it's a great opportunity. So I feel like I've made a great choice in joining MCODS Mangalore, and I feel like I really need to thank not only my peers in my class but also my seniors, my faculty, and even my parents for letting me join this college. I've had a great opportunity and I'm very thankful for everything so that I could learn dentistry over here.